Hello! Today I want to show you a magic trick with rubber bands. And I'm going to use two regular rubber bands for it. I stretch one rubber band on my left fingers and I stretch the other rubber band on my right fingers. Now, the challenge is to place one rubber band behind the other one without taking the rubber bands off my fingers. I'll try to pull the rubber band through my index finger, through the rubber band, through the thumb. I try to tangle it. Nothing helps. It seems to be impossible to make it without taking the rubber bands off my fingers. Well, let's use the magic word abracadabra baram boom. It works. The rubber band went through my thumb. Now we have to bring the rubber band back. Once again, I try to move the rubber band through my finger, through the thumb, through the other rubber band, but nothing works, nothing helps. Let me use the magic word abracadabra baram boom. Yes, this magic word always works. How do I do it? The answer is simple, by magic. And yes, you may find out how we do magic at fewdoit.com. Have fun!